everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to host a website for free using GitHub in 2024. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely free. I will transfer this local website to a live server in just 5 steps. So, let's get started.
First, log into your GitHub account and go to New button to create new repository. You can also create a new repository by going to plus icon and click Create New Repository. Write any name of your repository. I am writing test repository. After that, scroll down. You can make your repository public or private, then click Create Repository button. We have successfully created repository. Now we are going to upload our project files here. Choose your files from your computer. I am choosing all of these files and click Upload. Files are being uploading. After the files uploaded, scroll down and press the Commit Changes button. These are the files I have uploaded in my repository. Now let's see the output of this HTML page. To do that, go to Settings and go to Pages option. Then select your main branch and click Save. Your settings have been saved. Now after that, go to Action option. Then click on Pages Build and Deployment. Here is the link of your HTML page. Open this link in New tab. You can see that here is the HTML project I have just uploaded on repository.